Hello boys and girls, how are you guys? I am Mohit Agarwal and I am doing fine. Yes, a very good news for all the CMA students, not from my website of www.meplclasses.com but from institute's website. खुश हो जाइए, be happy, be joyous, be proud. Let me tell you, only in the institute campus placement drive, more than 300 CMAs of only December 20 passed out, only December 20 passed out term, okay, which was the last term for which CMA exams got conducted. More than 300 CMAs have been placed by institutes, by institutes placement program. Forget about those CMAs who have been directly picked up by the private sector. This is institute's campus placement that I am talking about. More than 300 qualified CMAs have got placed. So, अच्छे दिन आ गए for CMA students. So, be proud of the course. If someone asks what is CMA, just tell him, dude, I do not need to tell you, just go and research about it. Go to icmai.ai, go to icmai.in and research about it. Go to meplclasses.com, you will find everything about CMA course. Anyone who says that CMA में job नहीं है, just give them this data. The results came out in came in February or March, I guess, March 21, in just 1 month or maximum 2 months, under a period of 2 months. More than 300 CMAs have been placed so far. And still the placement drive is continuing. So approximately 350 CMAs have already been placed with an average salary ranging between 8 lakh to 12 lakh. The average salary ranging somewhere between 8 lakh to 12 lakh. Apart from these placements, I have been hearing from many CMA students that they have directly applied in the private sector and top listed companies and they have got the jobs already. So in case if you are hearing that there are no jobs in CMA, please go to the website and see. These figures do not lie. So it's a very proud moment for me as a teacher of CMA and you guys also being the students of this fraternity. Together we'll make this fraternity more stronger than ever. Let me promise you this. And do not forget that I was the only one in the last term who brought all the marathons of each and every subject of CMA for you guys. And the same is absolutely valid for this term also. अरे भाई जनवरी में ही मैराथन लाया था, जनवरी 21 में. All the marathons came in January 21 itself, December 20 or January 21. So it is applicable for June 21 exams also, which are going to be starting from 26th of July. So do refer them. And regarding CMA final batch, let me tell you, we already have been pioneer in CMA Inter and now it's a very proud moment for us to say that we have become pioneer in CMA final tuitions also. We provide all the subjects tuition and you will be mesmerized by the expert teaching and expert guidance of all the faculties. You can take the feedback from your friends. And I would request my CMA students who have studied or who are studying right now any level, whether it be foundation or inter or final, because we are covering all the subjects of all the levels, do comment in the comment box mentioning that whether you have availed the benefits of our classes or not, whether our classes have benefited you or not, okay, and how are you liking the classes if you are doing it currently, right? So that's it for this, boys and girls. I thought of sharing this and it's a very proud moment and very emotional moment for me as well as a teacher, and I'm sure that you must also be proud to be associated with this wonderful course, right? Thank you dosto, bye bye, and spread this video like fire in every WhatsApp group, social media channel so that people come to know what is CMA. Take care. Bye-bye.